Hello viewers, for this video I would like to show you how to put details in your basic Hot Wheels car featuring this 2020 Mustang GT500. As you can tell, there's no details front and back, and I will try to transform this into a Shmee mobile. So let's get started. So there's nothing going on at the front, just the basic stripes, but the molding is clear as well as the back. So I'll show you the step-by-step process, starting with the headlights. I use a masking tape, which is very odd for you, but it works for me quite well. So you have to stick it in there and try to put a good shape to the headlights. And after that, you kind of have to draw it to yourself, like using a pen. Next thing you want to do is try to cut out the shape of the headlights and stick it right back after cutting it, and it will look something like this. This is more of a first layer of the headlights. After that, you're gonna have to draw the details and the depth. You're gonna need a slate, black or gray Sharpie pen for the lower part of the bumper. Don't forget to do the same thing on the other side. Stick it in there nicely neat, and make sure your hands are very firm and steady to avoid some messing up. So you can see the black out front grille with the Cobra badge in the middle. Also at the back, you get the black panel that is flanked by the taillights. Do it correctly, you will result to something like this. Don't forget the rear spoiler or the wing. Also the reverse lamp down below. I use an acrylic red paint for the pinstripes to match Shmee GT500. Also the red markers on the back as well as the taillights. Black out roof using a black marker. I painted the wheels in chrome, so once it will dry, I will apply the slate gray Sharpie pen. Instead of just being black, I wanted to make it look like a dark chrome finish. Well, I can't make it carbon fiber, so this is the closest thing I can get. Make sure the stripes goes all the way down as well as the red pinstripes. Blacked out side mirrors, and I'm gonna leave the side decals for now. So there you have it, a very quick and cheap detailing in the 2020 GT500. So what do you think? If you'd like to hear from me again, please do subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.